Many people think they need a lot of money to start their business. What if I tell you you need little money or no capital to start any business of your choice? Today on the Great Lineage TV, I will put you through how to start a business with little or no capital, depending on the type of business you want to take on. Use what you have. Skills, knowledge, and social media are valuable resources that you already own. Talking about skill, knowledge, and networking, you have to discover whom you are. Who are you defines what skills you have, what you can contribute to the society, your knowledge, your experience, the type of business you can do. What I know. What do you know? Then whom I know. Who do you know? That one I'm talking about on whom do I know? I'm talking about your network now. Who are the people in your network? Who are the people you can connect to make things go smoothly for you? By the time you combine these three things, who I am, what I know, and who do I know, you bring your skills, your knowledge, and your network. Your skills can start certain businesses for you depending on what you know. For example, somebody that has knowledge about sewing, somebody that has knowledge about website design, somebody that can use social media effectively, and somebody that you just take of what knowledge do you have. Have you learned about baking? Have you learned about cooking? Can you bake pastries? Can you cook nice food? Then that is what you know. So you on your own, you should have confidence on yourself. Then your network now, that network is divided into two. Your network, you can bring your network together to form a team. That is, you can collaborate with other people. So in case you have the knowledge, and there are some businesses actually that you still need some little capital input. So in case you have the knowledge and you have someone that is passionate about what you are about to do, then the two of you can collaborate, or three of you, or whatever number that you can bring together to form a team. In that aspect, you will be bringing your knowledge, your technical know-how. That person will be bringing capital and some other things that will make the team to function effectively. It doesn't matter, it has to be two people. It can be three, it can be four, depending on what you actually need to form that business. Though in some part of Africa, it is highly difficult to bring somebody together to do one or two things with you, because you'll be thinking of betrayal and so all this stuff. Fine. All the same, look at whoever you are bringing to yourself. Then, like minds, just look for like minds and everything will go on smoothly. Now, starting your business, you can either start your business with a lot of capital or with no money, or with little money, little capital, I mean. Let us look at this scenario. You just came back from the office or from your workplace. You go into your kitchen. You decided to just cook whatever you can lay your hand on, put them together to prepare your food. You will see that is more easier compared to when you have a specific food that you want to eat. Then you need to look for the ingredients. If they are not available in the kitchen, then you have to send somebody or order it online, or you go to the market, or you send somebody to the market to go and buy them for you. Before they come, the person that just put things together in his house to go the way of what I have at hand, then the person must have even ate his food or her food and even maybe relaxing while you are still running up and down to get your ingredients together. However, the two concepts are okay, but depending on what you can afford at a time. That is why it is always good to make use of the bet at hand principle. So whatever you own, just start with that. You can start little and then grow bigger. While you are starting your business, you can leverage on free online tools, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and so on and so forth, to help you market without spending any money. You can do some few marketings. If you don't actually know much about marketing, you can go online, you can go on YouTube to learn about marketing. You learn the basics of marketing, then you just start from. You will be growing along the way. Another easier way to start a business with little or no capital is to start with offering services rather than selling products. Always leverage on all these free tools like YouTube and some other platforms that I mentioned earlier, so to make sure that your marketing is free of charge. You can even do pay on delivery. They can order online. There are so many things you can do online with your business. All you need is your phone and data on that phone, so you can make use of that advantage. It is there for you to use. While you have started your business, the little money called profit you gain on the transactions, don't spend them, at least at the beginning. Whatever profit you get, reinvest them. Make sure that any profit that comes in, don't touch it at all. Put it back to the business. If you have a capital of $1,000 now, and after a week or after a month you are able to gather together $100, then that, if you don't spend it and you reinvest it, that would be like $1,100. In the next month maybe you have $120 again. By that, your capital will be growing. After some few months, then you can start taking certain part of the profit. Meanwhile, taking that side of the profit, you have to define or a salary for yourself, or a wage, or just pay yourself. Have a specific salary, at least at a beginner, to pay yourself. See yourself as being an employee of that organization, and start paying yourself after maybe 2-3 months if you think you can afford it. If you cannot afford it, so just manage whatever you see, and after a while you realize that things will be in form. So to recap what I've just said, know yourself, know what you know whom you know, and know the knowledge and what you are capable of doing. Collaborate with others if necessary. Make use of free online tools like WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube, and many other more. Then collaborate, as I said earlier, and finally you will reinvest your profits. Don't just spend your profit anyhow. Now that you know you can start your little business with little money or no capital, what is that business that you have at heart that you believe you can start right now? Don't procrastinate. Just start right now. If you need any help, you can get across to us. We will assist you free of charge. Our next topic next week will be the power of positive thinking in achieving success. So please like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you have not done so, and click the notification button so that you don't miss any episode. Thanks for watching. God bless you.